week flipped classe inversée, toujours unité 1, leçon 1, still with the same unit 1, lesson 1, page 4 and 5. We complete what we started before. So before we talked about the school, how the student can represent himself using the small sentence like my name is, je m'appelle, j'ai 8 ans ou j'ai 9 ans, mon école elle s'appelle Al Arouba International et je vais à l'école, how you can go to school, je vais à l'école en voiture, en bus, à pied ou à vélo. After that we talked about the time, il est quelle heure, because we'll try to relate the lesson, all the lessons with some questions. Like today we talk about the time, because after that I will ask the question when they come to school, which time. So today we'll complete, we'll revise first what we studied. Il est quelle heure? Il est quelle heure? After that I answer il est. After that the numbers I touched before. For the students I say il est 1 heure at the beginning. Il est 1 heure. So after that il est 2 heures. Il est 2 heures. Il est 1 heure. Heure without s because it's 1 hour. More than 1 hour I must add s after heure in the end of the word heure, but I will not pronounce the letter e or s, e and s, and also the letter h or h I don't pronounce it. So il est 1 heure, il est 2 heures, il est 3 heures, il est 3 heures, il est 4 heures, il est 4 heures, il est 5 heures, il est 6 heures, il est 7 heures, et après il est 8 heures, il est 8 heures, il est 9 heures. Mais please attention when the students try to say this one, because some students they make mistakes and between 8 ans et 8 heures. So we have 8 ans is meaning 8 years, and 8 heures is 8 at the clock. So after that 9 heures, the same problem also, because all the time when I ask them tu as quel âge or quel âge as-tu, they answer me j'ai 9 ans ou bien j'ai 8 ans. For that all the time they repeat all the time 8 ans or 9 ans. Anyway, we'll try to repeat all the time the hours. May try to focus on this word heure, 8 heures, 9 heures. After that 10 heures, 11 heures. After that il est midi, and il est minuit, midnight. So after that we talked about this week. About the minutes. For la grande aiguille, or the small one, the big one, we call it for the minutes, and la petite aiguille, the small one, is for the hours. So the big one represent the minutes, so I must talk about this one, but we will not talk about 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, because the students still don't know all the numbers, and anyway we'll study the numbers in another third quarter inshallah. So we try to teach them how can say quarter, and how can say half, and how can say quarter too. So if I have like that, normally I say il est, the small one, on 10. So I must say Mr. Yahya, il est 10 heures. But I don't mention till now the minutes. The minutes, if it 15 minutes is meaning the first quarter, for because in the clock I have 4 quarter. The first quarter I call it a quart. A quart. A is meaning and. Quart is meaning quarter. It's like I say in English car in English we say quart. A quart. So I have the small la petite aiguille, the small one, for to represent the hours. I change this by any other number. Il est 1h15, il est 2h15, il est 3h15, il est 4h15, il est 5h15, il est 6h15, il est 7h15, il est 8h15, il est 9h15, il est 10h15, il est 11h15, like that. So after that, if it's half an hour, have one, like in English, have two. No, we say it like in Arabic, exactly the same order. So I start also il est. After that, il est 10 heures, because the small one on 10. Il est 10 heures, but the big one on 16 is meaning 30, but we don't take 30 till 10 now in the during the session from grade 1 or grade 2, and now grade 3. So we'll talk it about after that, like I told you that. So il est 10h30 et demi. So first quarter, if the big one on 3 is meaning 15 minutes, so I say et quart. This one is et demi. Half is meaning et demi. I teach them by another way to say two in French is meaning deux, and in English I is me. So together I say demi. I can always to be more easy for the students. If you have another way, you can try to teach them. But anyway, we can use this way if you want, or another way as you like. So anyway, half is meaning demi. So when I say the hour with, so I say il est, after that 1 heure or 2 heures or 3 heures or 4 heures or 5 heures, like that, et demi. So écart et demi. Écart et demi. After that, so I have 45 minutes. 45 minutes also don't study yet, so I will use another way, is minus 15 or quarter 2. So how can I say that this one? So I will start to say what? Il est 10 heures. But if I say 10 heures, I must say 45 minutes, because it's 10:45. No, I won't say minus 15 minutes or quarter 2. How can I say that? I must change this to be 11, to be 11, because it's nearer than to be 11. So I say il est 11 heures moins le quart. Moins is meaning minus. Moins le quart. So quarter is et le quart. But minus 15 is meaning moins le quart. Et quart moins le quart another side. So on 3 is écart, the big one. On 9, moins le quart. But attention, when you say moins le quart, you must say the big number. If the small one between two numbers, I choose all the time the big one. If it's 10:45, I say 11:40. 11 minus 15, moins le quart. If it's between 1 and 2, 1:45, I say 2 heures moins le quart. If it's 2:45, I say 3 heures moins le quart. 3 minus 15, like that. So il est after that the small one, or like petite aiguille, where that exactly I will say it. After that I say et demi, écart et demi moins le quart. Écart et demi moins le quart. So you can focus now to revise what we studied till now. We have 15 minutes. I must say écart all the time. Écart. After hours. So il est 1h15, 2h15, like that. If it's a half, I say il est after the number, small one. After that, et demi, écart, et demi, écart, et demi. And this one, moins le quart, écart, et demi, moins le quart. And we played in the during the session. We call it the dancing of the clock with the hands to make it like the clock exactly, and le mouvement de la grande aiguille et la petite aiguille. The action for the all what you have it in the minutes or and hours. So after that, I try to relate this lesson by another lesson. So another lesson talk about what we can do in the morning. So in the morning, I ask all the time the students, à quelle heure tu lèves? What the meaning? À quelle heure tu lèves? À quelle heure, in which time? À quelle heure, in which time you woke up? À quelle heure tu lèves? To talk about something happened all the time. À quelle heure tu lèves? À quelle heure tu te lèves? To answer this question, I say je, because I talk about me. So you say change it to be je. Je me lève. À quelle heure tu lèves? Je me lève. I woke up. After that, after that, the time I woke in. So je me lève à 5 heures, for example. I can change it à 6 heures. I can change any other time. Je me lève à 5 heures. So another time. If I have this question, il est quelle heure? Il est quelle heure? Is not like à quelle heure tu lèves? Il est quelle heure? I say il est 1h, 2h, 3h, like that. But if I have à quelle heure tu lèves? À quelle heure tu lèves? À quelle heure? I don't say letter H, heure tu te lèves. À quelle heure tu lèves? I say je me lève à 5 heures or 6 heures, whatever that time. So you must know something is very important. I will teach them also during this week. The difference between, if I talk about myself, I say je, like je m'appelle, like j'ai. Change if I have vowels, so j'ai, like j'ai I have. Je. But if I talk about you, you will say tu. So if I ask you with tu, you must change it to be je. But if I ask you using this, he will be il, so I will not change it. Comment s'appelle ton frère? Il s'appelle, after that, the name of your brother. Comment s'appelle ton école? École is like elle, so elle s'appelle. I talk about the school. So is je for me, tu for you. So when I have a question starting with we use tu, I must change it to be je. If is il, so I will not change it. Il is mean he, il. Attention, because you have many mistakes, or maybe especially students, they say confused between il and elle. So we say sometimes lesson elle, no, is il for a boy, il, say like i after that l, so is il for the boy, il for the girl. I say like letter L, like the letter L, only L. So is il, is he, elle is she. So now we start now. Je me lève, like I say now, je me lève à 5 heures. It's like example. So I want to talk about this photo. Je me lève à 5 heures. So if I want to talk about him, I will change je to be il. To be il. If it's girl, say elle. Je me lève. But Mr. Me talk about me, myself. So I say il se lève. So je will be If I talk about someone, I say il or elle, depends it's boy or a girl. After me will be se. Il se lève, but I will keep the same verb without any change. Il se lève. I talk about myself, I say je me lève à 5 heures. Il se lève à 5 heures also. Now I will ask them à quelle heure tu te lèves, so they will represent themselves. After that we talk about the hour and which time they have come to school, and after that in which time and the time to wake up. After that what they can do before they go to the school. Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? I ask the students. Qu'est-ce que tu fais? What you do? Qu'est-ce que tu fais avant d'aller à l'école? Avant, before, d'aller, before you go. Before you go to the school. Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Qu'est-ce que tu fais avant d'aller à l'école? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Qu'est-ce que tu fais avant d'aller à l'école? What are you doing before you go to school? So he will talk about what he can do, the action he can do it in the morning. I make it in the order. For that I start with d'abord. D'abord in the beginning. You must say like that. D'abord, I teach them that. D'abord. I don't pronounce the letter D in the end. D'abord. This one, what he make? If I talk about myself, I say je me douche. It's easy. Je me douche. It's easy. Je me douche, like je me lève, but I woke up at what time? Je me douche, I take a shower. And this one, also I talk about myself, so I say je also. Je prends, I don't say the letter D or S. Je prends, I take. Je prends le petit déjeuner. Je prends le petit déjeuner, or I can say also in French, French people, they say je prends le petit déj. Je prends le petit déj, ou bien je prends le petit déjeuner. Je prends le petit déjeuner. Je prends le petit déjeuner. If I talk about my another one, so I talk about myself. Je me douche. So attention is D after that O and U. O and U together, I say in the book, I say O double O. So I say douche. It's easy, this word, I think you know it. Je me douche. Je prends le petit déjeuner. I take my breakfast, but I talk about someone else. So I say, for a boy, I say il. I say what? Il. And the me will change to be se. Il se douche. Il se douche. So I talk about myself. Je me douche. About him, il se douche. Now the girl, the boy, girl. So I say je, no. Il, no, is elle. So I say elle, but I will cancel the letter S. In a way, I will not say the letter D or even the letter S. I will not say it. So I say, what I say, elle prend le petit déjeuner. Elle prend le petit déjeuner. Il se douche. Elle prend le petit déjeuner. If I talk about someone else, but I talk about myself, I say je me douche. Hein? Je prends le petit déjeuner. Or another one, il se douche. Elle prend le petit déjeuner. After that, I say ensuite. What I mean ensuite? So I start with d'abord in the beginning. D'abord, ensuite is meaning after that. Ensuite, what I can do? After I take my breakfast, what I brush my teeth. I can say it. I is meaning je. I make something for myself, so I say je me brosse les dents. 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 I brush my teeth. But if I talk about the girl, I say il ou elle. Elle me or elle se brosse les dents. Elle se brosse les dents. Je me brosse les dents. Elle se brosse les dents. Finally, in French, I say enfin. 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 What I can do enfin? Yes. I prepare myself to go to the school. So I wear my clothes. I meaning je. To myself, so je m'habille. Je m'habille. Je m'habille. Why is apostrophe here? Because after this letter normally is M E or M E, but I have vowel. Where the vowel is ash. Ash is not vowel, but after this letter I have all the time A is vowel. And ash I don't never pronounce this letter. Only we have some cases. But here je m'habille, so I will cancel letter E to be M apostrophe. Je m'habille et je me coiffe. What do you coiffe? You know what is easy. Coiffe. Like a coiffeur. Je me coiffe. Je m'habille et je me coiffe. But if I would talk about the photo, what's happened? So I say, so it's the girl, so I say elle. Apostrophe also. Elle s'habille. Je m'habille. If I talk about myself, another one, the girl, so elle s'habille et elle se coiffe. Instead of je me coiffe. So if I repeat what I say now, when I ask them, qu'est-ce que tu fais avant d'aller à l'école? The students must answer by order. D'abord, je me douche. Je prends le petit déjeuner. Ensuite, je me brosse les dents. Enfin, je m'habille et je me coiffe. D'accord? Now we'll listen something from the book, page 5, to make relation between the timing, what we studied, and the action of the morning I do it before I go to school. So you can listen and provide with us.
1. Il est 6h30. Madame Legrand se réveille. Il est 6h30. Monsieur Legrand se lève.
Oui. 6 heures, il est 6h30. Voilà, il se lève et elle se réveille.
2. Il est 7h moins le quart. Léo se douche.
Je pense que vous savez maintenant. Oui, il est 7h moins le quart. Il est 7h moins le quart. 7h moins le quart. Elle se douche. Léo se douche.
3. Il est 7h. La famille Legrand prend son petit déjeuner.
Oui, c'est facile. Elle est 7h. Elle prend le petit
Il
déjeuner.
est 7h15. Maggie se brosse les dents.
Toujours facile. Il est 7h15. Maggie, elle, se brosse les dents.
5. Il est 7h30. Alice s'habille.
Oui, Alice s'habille. Il est 7h30. Il est 7h30. Elle s'habille. Alice s'habille.
6.
D'accord.
Il est 8h moins le quart.
Oui, c'est facile. 8h moins le quart.
Léo se coiffe.
Il est
Il est en retard.
Lui, il est en retard. D'accord. He's late. Maintenant, Léo, elle se coiffe. Il est 7h moins le quart. Il est en retard. Donc, this one we'll do it in the class during the session, page 5. So I will try to revise it, to read it again. Il est 6h30. Il est 6h30. It have 6. Madame Legrand se réveille. Just woke up now, but still sleepy. Il est 6h30. So the same time. Monsieur Legrand se lève. So woke up already. So we can look here the difference between the woman and the man. Madame Legrand se réveille. Monsieur Legrand se lève. Anyway, I teach them se lève, je me lève. It's very important to note. You can talk only about je me lève. No problem. The same meaning. After that, number 2, il est 7h moins le quart. Il est 7h moins le quart. Léo se douche. Léo se douche. Il se douche. After that, numéro 3. Third one, il est 7h. Il est 7h. La famille Legrand prend. La famille Legrand is equal elle. Prend son petit déjeuner. Son petit déjeuner ou le petit déjeuner. Il est 7h. La famille prend son petit déjeuner. Ou la famille prend le petit déjeuner. Il est 7h15. Il est 7h15. 7:15. Il est 7h15. Maggie se brosse les dents. Maggie se brosse les dents. Il est 7h30. Il est 7h30. Half 7. Alice s'habille. Alice s'habille. In the end, il est 8h moins le quart. 7:45. Léo se coiffe. Léo se coiffe. Il est en retard. Il est en retard. He is late. Il est en retard. Anyway, we try to focus about on the time and the action of the morning, what he can do in the morning. Il est 8h moins le quart. Léo se coiffe. Il est en retard. Donc, on a déjà fini maintenant notre révision. We finished what we did or what we do in this week. Only we have small sentence about the dictation, about the lesson. So, il est 6h. Il est 6h. It's easy one. Il est 6h. Je me lève à 5h. Il est 6h. Et je me lève à 5h. Il est 6h. Je me lève à 5h. Please try to respect what I try to do it in the video. Okay, il est 6h. Je me lève à 5h. So, it's finished now. Et à la prochaine fois, Inch'Allah, on va continuer notre travail avec classe inversée. Merci à vous et, voilà, et bonne semaine. Merci.